Hello and welcome back, welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have an update for the WonderPANs. Alice in WonderPANs. Oh my gosh. This is a fantastic ladies collab that was created by Alyshia. As always, she will be listed down below as well as the master list for this project. I'm going to try to keep this one simple, short, and sweet. So let's just jump into it. The oldest item in this project, this rolling style project, is for the Cheshire Cat. I was gonna say the Cashier Cat, and it's the Milt Mini Lipstick in Frisky. Since the last update, I used it twice. It's still vibing. It's still here. This will be on my list soon of lippies to focus on to get out. Next, for the White Rabbit, a product you relate buying, I have the Ofra Cloud 9 highlighter. My goal with this in this project is to use it 30 times. Since the last update, I needed 23 uses. I used it 5 times since the last update, so it has 18 more uses left to go. I definitely see myself possibly getting this out next update, if not the following update. I did have to film this a little early, so I am missing some uses, but I have high hopes that I can get this one out soon. Next, for the Army of Cards, a product that never lets you down, I picked Sugar Pills Trinket. Since the last update, I used it 6 times. It's close to being done, just not yet. It still smells good, so it's still safe to use, but it's close to being done, so that is delightful. If it happens next month, if it needs another month, that's okay. Next, for Not All Who Wander Are Lost, a product you discovered by accident or wandered upon randomly, I picked the LA Girl Hello Glam. Well, these the glitter holic toppers. I forget what these are called. My goal is to use it 10 times. Since the last update, I used it once, so there's 9 more uses left to go. I haven't been doing any blue looks, and this is a white to blue shift. So, I don't know. I need to figure out a look with this. Something would be cool. Then last but not least, for Mad Hatter, I have a product that drives you insane, so I picked the e.l.f. Beauty Primer. I used it once since the last update because I realized 2 things. The first is it's expired because the expiration date is September 9th, 2021. But I didn't realize that before I used it. It does keep clogging, so I had to use a toothpick to clean it out, and then I used it and I didn't have a reaction to it. So I could play, you know, what is it, devil's advocate that you call it, when I could just keep using it and see if my face freaks out. Or I could call it quits. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I would be it's to here. So I'm a little disappointed if I were to call it quits, but it is expired. So let me know what you think. This product does has SPF in it, SPF 50, so it could just be the SPF expired, but that could still make my face, you know, be covered with acne. I don't know. I really don't. I used it the one time and then I just put it in my drawer and haven't looked at it. So I had no time even before this to figure out what I want to do. So let me know what you think I should do. And if you guys are all like Tori Bennett, then I'll just pull in something to replace it next month. So yeah, that is hopefully my short and sweet update for you all. Don't forget to check out everyone else doing this project. As always, the master list is listed in the description box down below. And I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Peace out, Girl Scout.